Hey there, cosmic thrill seekers. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered how the universe's vast, empty voids stack up against the dazzling galaxies lighting up the darkness? Well, buckle up for a cosmic showdown, because today we're diving into the epic clash between voids and galaxies, two sides of the same cosmic coin. Welcome back to VoidVentures, your ultimate hub for cracking the strangest mysteries of space. In this episode, we're unraveling the stark differences between voids, the desolate deserts of the cosmos, and galaxies, the bustling cities of stars. How do these opposites shape the universe? What secrets do they hold about its past and future? It's a tale of emptiness versus fullness, darkness versus light, and it's packed with surprises. Ready to explore the cosmic battleground? Let's blast off into the void. So, what's the deal with voids and galaxies? Let's start with galaxies, the universe's shining stars. Galaxies are massive collections of stars, gas, and dust, held together by gravity. Our Milky Way, for example, is a spiral galaxy with billions of stars, including our Sun. Galaxies come in all shapes: spiral, elliptical, irregular, and they're the building blocks of the cosmos, clustering into groups, clusters, and superclusters. They're like cosmic cities, buzzing with activity and light. Now, voids? They're the exact opposite. Voids are the vast, empty spaces between these galaxy clusters, like the dark, silent oceans separating islands of light. They're not completely empty, but they're so sparse that if you dropped a galaxy inside, it'd feel like the loneliest place in the universe. Voids stretch hundreds of millions of light years across, dwarfing even the largest galaxies. While galaxies are packed with stars, voids are cosmic deserts where stars are few and far between. But here's the twist: voids and galaxies are two sides of the same cosmic coin. They're part of the universe's large-scale structure, known as the cosmic web. Imagine a giant sponge. Galaxies form the dense, interconnected threads, while voids are the hollow pockets in between. This web was shaped by gravity after the Big Bang, pulling matter into filaments and leaving voids as the empty gaps. So, in a way, voids and galaxies are cosmic dance partners, one defines the other. Let's talk scale. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years wide, but a typical void? Try 100 million light-years or more. That's like comparing a grain of sand to a mountain. Even galaxy clusters, which can span 10 million light-years, are tiny next to voids. It's a David and Goliath story, with voids as the towering giants. Density's another big difference. Galaxies like the Milky Way pack up to 400 billion stars. Voids? They might have a few rogue galaxies drifting through, but their density is so low it's eerie. Take the Boötes void, 330 million light-years wide with just 60 galaxies inside. That's like finding a near-empty stadium in the middle of a galactic Super Bowl. So, why does this matter? Studying voids and galaxies together helps us understand how the universe evolved. Voids push galaxies to the edges, shaping the cosmic web structure. They also act like cosmic labs for testing theories about dark energy and gravity. Plus, the contrast sparks big questions. Why is the universe mostly empty? What's hiding in these dark zones? It's a cosmic mystery that keeps us hooked. So, voids and galaxies are the universe's ultimate yin and yang, emptiness versus fullness, darkness versus light. Voids stretch across unimaginable distances, silent and vast, while galaxies burst with stars and life, painting the night sky. Together, they weave the cosmic web, a balance of dark and light that's still full of unsolved puzzles. Here at VoidVentures, we're hooked on these mysteries. Stick with us as we chase more cosmic clashes. What's next on this stellar journey? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to catch every epic twist. Love the cosmos as much as we do? Share this with your crew, drop your wildest void versus galaxy thoughts in the comments, and let's geek out together. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic quest. See you soon in the starry abyss, explorers.